time to join us. After our presentation, we do invite you to visit the many other solutions we have in our booth today, from humbler pre- and post-processing to the latest finishing technology from Horizon. As you know, digital print technology is advancing at a rapid pace, and the volume of digital print is growing daily. Today, we'd like to introduce you to several new finishing solutions developed specifically to handle this growing volume of digital print. And we hope you'll see the importance of having the right solution to handle your finishing requirements, as well as the need to consider the unique requirements for digital finishing from the beginning of the print process. So today we'll be running a wide range of applications, and feel free to look closely at the applications at each system and the finished results at the end of our presentation. The products we'll feature today are the SmartStacker B2 Digital Print Processor, the BQ-280PUR Perfect Binder and CRF-362 Creaser Folder, the StitchLiner 6000 Digital SaddleStitching System, and the Smart Binding System, a short-run digital bookbinding solution. So, let's start right here with the SmartStacker. This system is designed to efficiently convert sheets printed on the HP Indigo 10,000 digital press to a desired format size of individual sheets or collated product. This can be operated nearline, as we're demonstrating today, or of course directly in line with the HP 10,000 digital press. Now please look above at the monitors with our live camera. The parent sheets are fed and cut into as many as 7 separate sheets along the long edge, and as many as 4 separate sheets in the second unit, with a maximum of 28 sheets produced from each parent sheet. The sheets are re-registered along the long edge for accuracy. Blank sheets with no print may occur depending on the imposition, and those unwanted sheets are simply ejected at the second processing unit and never included with the printed output. So this allows imposition flexibility and simplified job planning. Now, traditional finishing processes are much more labor-intensive, requiring a higher level of training for printing, stacking, cutting, and collating or cross-marrying. Here, many after-print processes are eliminated, with product finished to size and order for packaging or made ready for the next step. Now, at this rate, even I could produce ready-to-ship printed products. So this is really a brand new way of processing large format printed sheets, and we believe this new concept will help you grow your business while improving process and efficiency. So let's take a look at the delivery section. Cut sheets are delivered as individual or multiple set stacks, which include cutting, collating, stacking, and delivery. Jobs are finished one by one, making job tracking and handling much easier compared to 2-up or 3-up stack output, which is common with many digital print finishing systems. This system is integrated with the HP SmartStream workflow. HP SmartStream direct-to-finish JDF automation is integrated within the HP SmartStream Production Pro Print server. It uses finishing instructions included in the job ticket template to eliminate waste and errors by automating bindery steps, setup, and operation. So with this automated workflow and the minimal operator interface, very little training is required, and the press operator can perform finishing even when the system is offline. So let's go ahead and look at this stack here. It looks like we have some greeting cards that Marissa is holding. They've been cut to size with full color bleed, but still need to be creased and folded. So for that, let me introduce this CRF-362 Digital Creaser and Folder. So Marissa will show us just how simple it is to finish these greeting cards. Now, image cracking when folding can be an issue with digitally printed product. The CRF-362 applies a matrix crease before folding, helping to eliminate unsightly cracking. So she simply picked up the file from the SmartStacker, loaded it onto the feeder, and pressed the start button. And now you can see for yourself the greeting cards no image cracking or exposed paper fiber. So it's a really easy process. So just imagine this with a traditional workflow. After the parent sheets are printed, you would have to crease, trim with a paper guillotine, and then fold the cards. So let's go ahead and look again at the delivery. We have some photo books here. So, of course, the HP Indigo Cross has a reputation for high-quality printed images and is very popular in the photo book industry. Here we have the recently released BQ-280PUR Perfect Binding System. This is specially designed to use PUR adhesive, which means a very strong and flexible bind that's ideal for photo book production. So let's put the BQ-280PUR binder to work again with the help of Marissa. She'll show us how it's done. Setup is quick and easy by means of JDF and barcode scanning or operator input of the color touch method, not requiring a highly skilled operator. This PUR system is quite compact, yet has all the features needed to produce high-quality books. The milling system is designed to prepare the spine for PUR binding. 2 application drums ensure superior glue application to the spine. And automatically adjusting nipper table height, pressure, and timing helps to ensure consistently square spines. Now the specially designed delivery section is quite unique due to the longer cure time of the PUR. An elevator system is used to gently deliver each book. And there you can see the perfect bound books. So as I mentioned, PUR does require a longer cure time. I know you're anxious to get a hold of those. We do want to give them just a little bit of time to cure. So go ahead and check back. They'll be right here, okay? Now these are only 2 examples. However, the SmartStacker can be used for many more applications, such as calendars, brochures, direct mailers, and maps, with the addition of the optional B2 size stacker. The SmartStacker expands the possibilities of the HP Indigo 10,000 B2 digital press with ready-to-ship product, or as you've seen today, with an efficient combination of horizon finishing devices. I'm going to head back here, and our live camera will pick up the action here. Chase, we'll head back here. This is our workflow station. On the right side is Horizon's PXNet system, which can control all of the Horizon finishing systems in our booth. PXNet uses JDF data created upstream to schedule jobs and set up all this equipment. It has the capability to monitor job status and equipment availability. On the left side is the Viva inspection system, which can monitor sheet and job integrity, as well as provide end-to-end system control. Now today, workflow systems are very important when you think about efficiency and automation in your operation. Data tracking and production management can be more efficiently done with digital print compared to offset printing. So please ask about how we can assist you with improving your workflow after our presentation. Now we're going to go ahead and check out the StitchLiner 6000 Digital. This saddle stitching system is equipped with the Viva Vision system, which I'll explain along with the StitchLiner 6000. The Digital 6000 can be connected to a Hustler roll and winder and cutter for continuous feeding of printed rolls, or process digitally printed cut sheets. Today we're demonstrating saddle stitch booklets from a cut sheet application, so let's look at the process step by step. This is the high-capacity offline feeder. When running nearline, the digitally printed sheets are transferred to the feeder. The sheets are fed and accumulated into collated sets by page count. To allow for a higher production speed, sets are accumulated in an upper and a lower track, allowing for 4 sets to be in process at once. When connected with a continuous feeding system, the Digital 6000 can accept speeds up to 200 meters per minute. Next, you see the cover feed station, which can work as a cover feeder or a sheet inserter. From here, the sets enter the stitching section where they're jogged, scored, stitched, and finally pre-neck trimmed before being delivered to the conveyor. Now today we're producing personalized booklets common to transactional print. Now document security security is very important, especially for personalized financial or healthcare products. The Viva system helps you meet industry and government requirements and provides an audit trail at the completion of the job. Sheet integrity and order from the feeder to the accumulator section is verified, and each book is tracked at the stitching section as well as the delivery. Now, error recovery is also part of the system. When an error is identified, the system generates an error list and sends the list upstream for reprinting. So you can ask for more details about the Viva system after our presentation. I invite you to follow me this way and head over to our next and final station, the Smart Binding System. All right, as you can see on the monitor, the system is configured with a new variable path perfect binding system for digital print. Today's printed rolls for signature production were produced on the Canon OSE ColorStream 3700, and the covers were printed on the ImagePress 7010 BP color printers. So we'll now demonstrate how the books will be produced, continuous process from to finish. So if you'll have a look at the monitors, the folder receives the sheet and creates folded signatures. The AF566F digital and T564F right angle folding section are used for this configuration. And the system can be used both for continuous feed printed rolls and for cut sheets. Now if you look at the monitors, the printed rolls are cut to sheets on the Humpler CS6 cutter, folded into signatures and accumulated into book blocks, which are pre-glued for easy handling before traveling to the binder. The newly designed BBS-40 produces perfectly jogged and glue-tacked book blocks. The SB09B variable binder is designed specifically to handle variable thickness books for higher production shops. Now each book block has a barcode which is scanned at the BBS-40 for book integrity and at the BBF to provide setup information and timing to the binder for automated setup. Now we're now producing 3 different books. Each book has a different thickness and a different finish format. The system is capable of binding books up to 2 inches. Today we're varying in the range of plus or minus a 1/4 inch, which maximizes the production capability of the system. Now when the thickness of each book varies greatly, the book blocks are buffered until the required setup is complete. Scheduling books to increase and decrease gradually by thickness allows you to maximize your overall production up to 2,000 books per hour. Now bound books are delivered on the cooling conveyor to the 3-knife trimmer. The HT1000B 3-knife trimmer can finish variable size and thickness books. The barcode printed on the cover is scanned at the in-feed of the trimmer, which is immediately set up for the book size according to the barcode information. So it is possible to produce variable sized books from the same sheet size, folding pattern, and utilizing one cover size. The folder requires no changeover, while the binder changes for thickness and the trimmer changes for finish format and monitors throughput. So this is really a new way of running variable format books with a simple and efficient workflow. Now ensured security, quality, and job tracking are also part of the system. At the delivery section of the folder, sheet integrity is checked by barcode. At the binder, cover and book block matching is checked by barcode. And then the completed book is checked at the HT1000B via barcode as a final check, allowing production status to be checked in real time at the monitor. Okay, now while I've been talking, books have been in production. So today we're simulating several short run jobs. And right here you can see the 3 different books that have been completed with varying thickness and different format sizes. As I mentioned before, the system has been doing this without stopping for changeovers. The Smart Binding system is also capable of handling one-to-one variable book production. So by producing in this manner, changing format and thickness is virtually seamless. Reliable and efficient book production for digital print regardless of the run length, and we can hand these out. You're welcome to take these with you. So that is our smart binding system for digital print, and as a bonus, the system can also be combined with a conventional signature gather to handle your offset printed binding requirements as well. So we hope we've presented some ideas today that will be useful for your current and future business. We believe the systems will provide efficient workflow for your digital print requirements. Digital print technology has been growing rapidly, and investment focused on new press technology. As you've seen, having the right post-press equipment will enhance the power of your investment in digital print. Understanding the key points of the digital finishing process is important, such as matching the sheet registration for both press and finisher for accuracy, choosing the right surface treatment to eliminate marking issues, and of course, when you consider the entire workflow from the beginning, your production will be much smoother and more efficient. So we thank you very much for joining us today. We do invite you to come in, talk to our solution specialist, look at our equipment, and take some product samples with you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you.